Hello students, in this video we will discuss about angle between a line and a plane. That means in this topic, given a plane and one another line, and we want to find the what will be angle between that line and that plane. Since we can see in this figure, this is the normal of the given plane, and this is a line whose equation is given here, a equal to a plus lambda b. A means this line passes through a point and this line parallel to another vector b. Now angle between normal and the line is theta, then this angle will be 90 minus theta. That means this is the complementary angle. Let equation of line be r equal to a plus lambda b, where a is the position vector of a point passes through the line and b a vector which is parallel the line, and plane b, equation of plane b, r dot n vector equal to d. Since n is the normal of this plane and this is the line, so angle between line and plane define the angle between normal and the plane, normal of the plane and line. Therefore, if this angle is theta, then cos of theta equal to b dot n upon magnitude b magnitude n in the whole magnitude. That means angle between both, that means line and plane, is equal to angle between line and normal of the plane, which given by the theta, then cos of theta equal to magnitude of b dot n upon magnitude of b into magnitude of n. Since 90 minus theta is denoted by phi, means let we suppose, therefore sine of 90 minus theta equal to cos of theta, and this will be equal to magnitude of b dot n upon magnitude of b magnitude of n. Since 90 minus theta is denoted by phi, therefore sine of phi equal to cos of theta. This will be equal to b dot n upon magnitude b into magnitude n, or sine phi equal to b dot n upon magnitude of b magnitude of n, where phi is equal to 90 minus theta. So in the term of cos theta equal to magnitude of b dot n upon magnitude of b into magnitude of n, and in the term of sine 90 minus theta, which is denoted by phi, is equal to magnitude of b dot n upon magnitude of b into magnitude of n. This is the, or by the help of these formulas, we can find the angle between given a line and a plane. Now in the next video, we will discuss about find the distance between a given point and a plane.